We are in one of our marble factory yard in Sharjah, so I just want to show you a little bit variety of marbles. This is not a full range, but at least to get some idea. We are here because I'm selecting white marble today for one of my clients, and we came to the yard, so I thought maybe it would be a good idea to introduce you with the kind of marbles we have in stock. This is a white marble range. We have Volokas, this marble from Greece. It comes with different variety also. The smaller slab, bigger slab, with more veins, less veins. As you can see here, this is all white Volokas marble. See, as I said, like we have big slab marble, for example, and client, you know, he needs only this portion, let's say. So what we do, you see, there are some defaults, like you know, this is natural marble and you cannot avoid from this. And what we do, we select the best cutouts and try to merge them in a way that the veins will match, and in the bigger picture it will look like a much big piece of marble. I have selected marble for client. Fortunately, I cannot show you because it's gonna be confidential concept design, but you can see the range of variety of white marble. Here we have grey Imperador. It's also mostly common used marble in most of the projects. You can see the slab, how it looks. Crema marble is a common marble used in many projects, but it comes again with different grades, A, B, C quality. More clear, less dirt, you know, less patches, as you can see here. This is Crema Uno. As you can see, this is like more or less evenly spread design, so it doesn't come with the big patches or big veins. That is, it's called Crema Uno. You see, also nice for book match. This is Armani Grey. As I explained it to you before in one of the projects when I showed you the carpet, marble carpet. So this is the pieces. How we do it, we cut it each piece like this, and then we assemble it manually in a factory. So this is the assembling. This is the back of the piece. It's quite a complicated job because it's pieces by pieces. These are the drawings, then we do the pieces and we combine them together, and then we have the final result like this. Yeah, marble work actually is not easy job. There's a lot of dust, a lot of noise. This is the factory, but when it comes out of the factory, it is absolutely excellent job. very clean, polished. You can see the final result. Finding the perfect marble, color, shade, exact slab, it's one thing, it's a one task. The other task is to cut it right, to assemble it right. And the third very important thing is how to install it. And this is where we come, the installation part, where you have skilled laborers. The technique of installation is not easy because there is a certain procedure which a lot of companies here, they don't follow. Marble is very sensitive, it's a natural product. It's very sensitive, so there should be a sort of protection in layers at the back, at the front, while installing, so it doesn't absorb anything, it doesn't suck into cement or mortars, so it's very dedicated job, let's say, marble. These are the marbles cut it from the slab, so you can see very good fine piece is cut it here. This all numbered, so we're numbering each piece and then we are ready for delivery and installation. This is where we come, PrimeLinks. So here we have different samples cut it from the slabs, which you saw outside. We display them here on the wall, so the client can easily identify his need, his color. Also, there is a price variety. It starts, let's say, from 150 dirham per square meter. It can go to 3,000 dirham, 4,000 dirham. So it depends on the type of material, the quality, the thickness of material, and so on. So these are the samples. So the client can easily choose, select, and then we will cut it for them as per their required design.